I don't want to do WG right away. We will have to hear it on our next hearing.
Yes. So may I suggest when you come back to us, it's a number that you all agree on already. Nagkakaisa na kayo dito sa numerong ito. Kasi kami po, paglalaban po talaga namin yan. We will really do our best to fund this properly. No? But we need to see the proper numbers, the proper basis, the proper logic dito po sa mga numero. Yes, Secretary Kiko.
Mr. Chair, just to put on the record now also, I think one of the recurring problems that both TESDA and JED actually has, or has had, is that our academic calendar does not fit into the DBM's annual budgeting process. Therefore, when we do the allocations or the computation, there should be at least two things. One is an accrual method to see what kind of growth rate you would expect, whether